Guys, Ricardo, welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course today I'm going to show you to fix an issue which I recently helped a friend out with. And of course I took some screenshots and this is what the issue actually look like. And it says here, when you're using Google Play Store to install any app on your Android device, you get this error, and the error, I'll put it on screen. And the error reads, authentication is required. You need to sign into your Google account. Sometimes you might get it to a screen like this that basically says the same thing. Authentication is required. You need to sign into your Google account. No matter if you retry and actually put in your password, it will keep coming back to the screen and it will not actually authenticate. And this can be very annoying, as when you're trying to download apps or a particular app, you cannot install it until you have a verified Google account. All right, and it's authorized. So of course guys, in this case, or what I did to actually fix this problem is as follows. So just follow along. So the first thing I did, guys, was to go into settings. When I was in settings as seen here, I went down to apps, and of course yours might be slightly different. So it might be say application, so settings, application, and it might see a bunch of options. You might have to scroll over to all application and so on. What we're going to look for now, guys, is the Google Play Store. And there are a bunch of Google Play services, music and so on. But of course we're looking for Google Play services as seen here. So just go ahead and click on Google Play Store. And once you're in here, just go to storage. And this time what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to clear cache. That's here. Then you're going to clear data. And of course after this, I'm not going to do it here, just demonstrating. I don't want to erase mine. So of course next you're going to go up here and you're going to force stop. And of course once you do that, you're going to go down here and launch the Google Play Store once more. It will ask for you to sign back into your account. Just go ahead and enter your email along with your password. Once you do that, guys, it should log you back in and you should be able to go about downloading any app as normal without that annoying error popping up. Alright guys, we got it from Blog Tech Tips, and another quick tip that actually helped out a friend of mine, and I'm sure it will help you out as well, guys. This is Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.